Hello and welcome to ALEKS. I wanted to show you how to move around in ALEKS and what to expect. So when you first get into ALEKS, it's going to ask if you want to do a little tutorial on how to submit answers and things like that. What I did was I jumped right to the initial knowledge check. So after I did my knowledge check, this is what's going to come up. Now, depending on what class you are in of mine, this may look a little bit different and the topics are going to look different. But it's going to let you know how many of the total topics you have accomplished. So I accomplished 73 of the 93 topics. I accomplished 73 of the 166 topics. I have 93 topics left remaining that I'm going to learn throughout the semester. And so I'm going to hit continue. And then it's going to let me know that I'm going to start on my path. So you're going to start wherever. If you already know all the topics for 2.1, you're not going to have to do 2.1. So mine is starting at 2.2. We're all going to start at different spots. Most of you are going to start at 2.1. And so there you can click on the assignment list. It should show you what things are open and available and when. So these, because I already have percentages in these areas, it's because of my knowledge check. I already have knowledge in some of these areas prior, which is a great thing. Now, after so many sections, so after section 2.3, chapter 2, it's going to be scheduled to give you a post-module knowledge check. Every class is going to be set up different, but every class will have some post-knowledge checks frequently, usually after 2 or 3 sections. You can also go up and hit the home button, and these are some various things that you can do. You can see your grade book. You can review things. You can see the assignments. Also, you can go down and see the textbook. So if you hit the plus button on the textbook, you can go to the ebook. And the ebook is just like having a physical book. It's just virtual. In the virtual book, you can click on the menu and the table of contents and go to whatever section you would like to learn about and follow along with the notes that I'm doing in class. If you would like to order to have a physical book in hand, that's an extra purchase that you can make through the bookstore, and they will be getting a few of those into the bookstore soon. If you are in my quantitative reasoning class, I recommend that you buy that workbook from the bookstore so that you have that as a resource because we work through that book in class. My statistics course does not have that workbook and is not needed. And catch me back if you have other questions.